In 2017-2018, the email I received the most from people reading my blog was, Jude, how can I mine Bitcoin? Now, my answer is usually, it's not profitable unless you have thousands of dollars to set up a Bitcoin farm. Now, this is 2024. Has my response changed? Yes. Now, one reason is SolarX. The device has two components, the miner and the solar panel. All you need to do is to plug in the solar panel into the miner, take the solar panel to the sun, and then turn on the device. You are mining. You can monitor your mining activities and earning from the SolarX app from anywhere in the world. And guys, once my own device arrives, I'll make a video to show you guys a hands-on experience on how to set it up and how it works. Now, I am making this video because I have a Tenset subscription, and the next project to launch there is SolarX. So let's go into more details about SolarX, how it works, how it compares with other crypto mining operations, and how profitable it is. So SolarX wants to make crypto mining eco-friendly. So what I mean, Bitcoin mining consumption for last year was 170 terawatt hour. If you don't know what that means, it is more than the energy consumed by the country of Poland for that year. So if Bitcoin was a country, it will be number 24 in terms of energy consumption. Its carbon footprint is comparable to that of Nigeria. Now, see what I mean? If we consider one single Bitcoin mined, that is every single Bitcoin mined, its carbon footprint is the same as the carbon footprint of over 1 million Visa transactions. And the energy consumed for every single Bitcoin is equivalent to the energy consumed by an average household in America for 29 days. So guys, it is not eco-friendly at all. So basically what SolarX is doing is it wants to make mining eco-friendly. It ensures that mining is light and only uses the sun. During the day, the solar panel powers the miner and charges the battery. At night, the power stored in the battery is used to continue the mining process until the sun comes up again and the cycle continues. Now, the mining device is built on the SolarX GreenX chain. It works by solving complex mathematical equations to verify transaction on a network and earn solar coins as a reward. So similar to the same way proof of work works, but it is not proof of work. The SolarX blockchain is called the Proof of Green Energy Blockchain, POGE. As a miner, you can help to confirm transaction on the blockchain and earn SolarX token. The amount of token you earn depends on the amount of wattage your device contributes to the network. The calculation is done in the background and you can visually see it from the app. So everything you can see from the app. Now, beside SolarX token, you can also mine tokens of any blockchain that is built on POGE network. The question now is, what of other blockchains other than POGE? Would it be included in the device? The answer is maybe or maybe not. I don't really know. However, there are plans in place to expand the hosting option to include Bitcoin mining, Ethereum Classic mining, Casper coin mining, Raven mining, and more, and it will be fully powered by solar energy. Now, this is not going to be integrated into the device, but what is done is that these rigs are going to be set up by the team and investors can buy into that. So investors can own part of this and earn as miners. The SolarX token is called SolX. It's both a governance token and a utility token. Its utility includes, but not limited to, paying for hosting fees and purchase and sales of miners. The token supply is 400 million tokens. 16% will be sold in various sales round and 22.75% for mining reward. Others are for advisors, staking reward, treasury, marketing, liquidity, and the team. Its profile is publicly available on LinkedIn and X. You can check them out there. So as we also have a deflationary mechanism where 10% of all the cashed in money reward will be burnt quarterly. That said, the SolarX ecosystem and the token is not yet live. The mining device has been manufactured, but they are not yet live. So if I click on check network coverage here, you can see that it's all zero, active mining devices, active mining wattage, total mined, and everything is zero because it's not yet live. But it will be live pretty soon, possibly this May. And like I said in the beginning, I will have my own device and make a video to show you guys how it works and how I set my own up and the reports I'm getting. And that said, if you want to purchase the token early before it launches, this is how you do it. This project is on the Tenset Launchpad. It means that the token is for sale. You can buy it early before it launches. And guys, if it's launching on Tenset, it's going to be sold out really, really fast. If you want to get your hands on it, this is how you do it. So you're going to purchase any of the Tenset subscription. There are 5 of them. So the tier 1 to tier 5. Tier 1 is for 1,000 Tenset tokens. And you get a guaranteed allocation for SolarX. For tier 2, you get 2.5 of tier 1, tier 3, 6 times of tier 1, and like that. So for tier 1 to tier 3, you're going to purchase 1,000, 2,500, or 5,000 tokens to do that. For tier 4 and tier 5, you either purchase and hold a regular NFT or you purchase the SolarX Genesis NFTs. Let me just show you guys how to do this. So you have to have a MetaMask wallet, right, on the BSC Smart Chain and fund your wallet. For example, I have $4,000 here. So to do this, I'm going to go to pancakeswap.finance. Then when I'm here, I'm going to connect my wallet. It's already connected actually. Then I'll go to trade here and go to swap. And first of all, I like to go to CoinMarketCap and search for Tenset. I'm doing this because I want the contract address. So I click on it, shows me this. I need to copy this contract address to be sure I'm purchasing the right Tenset. So I'll go back to PancakeSwap. Under swap, I'm swapping my USDT. This is it. And I'm going to change this one to enter the contract address here for Tenset. And this is, I'll click on it. And so I want to swap $4,000 for Tenset. This will give me approximately 3,281 Tenset tokens. So I'm going to click on swap, confirm. So if it does this, what I can do is to actually go ahead and increase the slippage. Now, another thing you can do is to go to a centralized exchange and make your purchase because Tenset is also available on some other centralized exchange. It's available on CoinW, BitGet, and Gate.io. So if you download this, what I want to do is to go and increase the slippage, right? And make this 5 in case it doesn't go through. So my slippage is now 5. I'll go ahead and click on swap again. So that is done. So if I check my wallet, I now have, you can see I have 3,154 Tensets. Mind you, some Tensets used up for as transaction fee. So now I can go and buy a Tenset subscription. So I can buy the tier 2 because I have 2,500. So what I'll do is to click on lock here. First, I have to connect my wallet address. Then 2,500, I'll click on confirm. Allow locking. Now, this revoke.catch is a security measure just to make sure that I'm on the right side. Then I'm going to click on so that is how you buy the subscription. Now my token is now locked for 365 days. Guys, so if I click it to see my subscription, so these are my subscriptions. I have 3 subscriptions, 2 in tier 3 and 1 in tier 2. So this is basically how it is. Again, when you subscribe to the Tenset subscriptions, your token is locked for 365 days. And any project that is launching on the Tenset platform, you will get an allocation for that 1 year. After 1 year, you can choose to relock. Okay? When you buy the NFT, you have a lifetime subscription as long as you're holding the NFT in your wallet. So this is simply how you subscribe to the Tenset subscription. Again, when you lock, it is for 365 days. After that, you can take your token back and sell it and get your money back. That is one. If you're holding an NFT, it's for lifetime. Secondly, as long as you have a subscription or you're holding an NFT, whatever project is launching on Tenset, you have a subscription. So that is basically how this works. Now, if you are doing this, if you're purchasing to buy SolarX, make sure you do it before if I do it on or before the 2nd of May, because the IDO is taking place on the 3rd of May. So you need to buy it, get position before the snapshot takes place. Again, the IDO is on the 3rd of May. So do your subscription before then if you want to participate in the SolarX launch. Now, to get more information, make sure you follow Tenset and SolarX on all social media platforms, Twitter and Telegram, including me on Twitter, because I drop a lot of content there right now. Now, how profitable is the SolarX mining device? For this, I'll give you more details when it goes live. When I receive my own, it goes live and I use it, I'm going to give you details with regards to how profitable SolarX is. Remember guys, none of this is financial advice. Always make sure you do your own research before making an investment decision. I'll see you guys in the next video.